In previous lectures, we have already discussed about default components of the web. In today's class, we are going to learn about custom components. So, it's my application, and I will open it in my CMD. So, I will type CMD. So, to execute my application in the browser, so I will use a command. And this so it will redirect to my default browser, and I'm using Microsoft Edge as a default browser. So wait for a while. Generating browser application windows compiled successfully. So you can see my output. This is all, and you can read ahead. Go ahead. So what we have to do today, we have to create our custom classes. So first of all, I will open my application in VS Code. So I will open VS Code. So I will use CMD, and to open it in VS, I will use a command space start. Space start. So I will create a folder, new folder. I will give name my folder, in which I will create a custom component. So double click it, and I will create a new file. So the first name will give like home. Sorry, no, contact, about component .html. I will create one more file that will be about .css. I will create one more file inside my folder that will be about component.ts. So we can create one more file, but that related to testing. We are not going to do anything related to testing. So a component mainly consists of 3 files having extension .html, .css and .ts. In .ts file, we generally use it to write its logics. So right now what we have to do, we are going to create a component for these files having extension .css, .html, .ts. So what I will do, I will export this component in my application. So I will write export class. So it is just like a class. This component is just like a class. So I will give this name, like you can give app component. Sorry, about component, about component. So I will try select your class name means component name should be same as your file name. It's a convention, nothing else. So right now what I have to do to treat it as a custom class, I will have to create the decorator for this one. So what I will do, so actually decorator is nothing but actually it's used to give additional features to the component. So what I will do, I will write @rate component. So you can see automatically a component, important component from member select score already important. So right now what I have to do, I have to link all these files about component JSON HTML and TX file. So for this I will have three attributes, three key values, or you can say properties. So first one is your selector. So selector will have name like about second one will be template URL. So I will do the path of this file .html. So for this I will write dot component about dot component dot html. So I have to link this file also. I have extension .css. So this, for this I will use a property styles URLs. So css. So right now I have already included three files in my component. Okay, so right now I have to import this custom component what in app.ts file. So add model.ts. So I have to define my custom component here also. Right. Fiber component, that's it. And after this I will have to use the selector in the index.html file. So my selector was this icon. So I will include this selector in my index.html file. So in this and to get the output I will add something here. In my folder so now I am going to execute my application in the cloud. Actually I am commenting this on app.component.html because I have to run this one. You can see my output. So we have already created a component. So I have one more method to create custom components. So we can create directly using command as well. So I will use command ng generate means generate component for which I will write C, and you want to know the name. So let my food my food indexes contact. And so you can see source and folder contact table component.use contact.component css. See contact component.css, contact component.css, contact component.html, contact component.html, inspect.ts. So see, we get our custom component directly using command. So if you want to execute its content, so we will do the same process. So what I will do, content works. So I will write content works. So what I will do, I need to see it selected. So it's selected app component. So what I will do, I will go to component.html. So I will comment it. So I will write add contact. I will execute it. So this is Roman contact works. Okay. So it's full today. I'm going to end this as